Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify A/B test data integrity with Google Analytics 4 exports, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Analytics 4 account. Navigate to the property that contains the A/B test data you want to verify. In the left-hand menu, click on Explore. Select Exploration to create a new exploration report. Choose the template that suits your analysis needs, such as Freeform. In the Variables column, click on Dimensions to add relevant dimensions. Look for the dimension related to your A/B test, like experiment or similar. Drag and drop the selected dimension into the Rows section of the table. Next, click on Metrics in the Variables column. Add relevant metrics, such as users or conversions, depending on your test goals. Drag and drop these metrics into the Values section of the table. Once your dimensions and metrics are set, click on Apply to visualize the data. Review the preliminary results to check if they align with your expectations. Now, navigate to the Export option in the right corner of your exploration. Select the format you prefer for exporting, such as CSV or Google Sheets. Download the exported data for further analysis. Open the exported file to conduct an integrity check. Verify that the A/B test groups are properly split in the data. Cross-reference the exported data with your original test setup. Check for any discrepancies in user assignment between variants. Look for consistency in the metrics you selected. Ensure that the date range in your Google Analytics export matches your test period. If you spot any irregularities, revisit your Google Analytics settings. Make adjustments as needed and re-export the data if necessary. Document your findings and any issues encountered during the process. Save your clean data export for future reference. This process will help ensure the integrity of your A/B test data. Now you're ready to analyze your A/B test results with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.